work vehicle coming through the crowd dangerously. I'm going to go create some accountability. We've got worker cars getting away. Looks like we might have somebody that's armed. He's armed with a gun. The man driving this car has a gun in his hand. He's pointing it at people.
He's got a gun, he's got a gun.
He's got a gun.
Get the fuck out of my room!
That's the business, Foursquare Concrete. I want you to make phone calls. Let everybody know we have an armed citizen.
This is my way home!
Go around. We're peaceful. We don't have guns. We love you. We care for you. Put your gun away. Stop. Hey, let's go.
This is my way home! This is the way I go home!
Business. Get the business too.
Foursquare Concrete! The gentleman has a gun!
Can we ask you to please be with us today? Can we ask you to please be with us?
Please stop.
Watch out.
Please stop. Thank you. Please stop. Please stop.
Back away from me!
We will not harm
Back
you.
away!
We will not harm you. Back
Put that
away.
gun down! Back away! Put that gun down! You back away! Put that gun down!
Put it down.
Put that fucking gun down! Now! Put that gun down! Good, no weapon! Don't be scared!
Nobody will hurt you.
That gun down! Put it down! Don't be scared!
Nobody will hurt you.
Kill us all! Move up!
Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Back up. Back up.
Go back!
Back up. Back up. Watch it.
It's just funny! It's just funny!
There's somebody under the car. There's somebody under the car. We got you. There's somebody under the car. Come on, no! Somebody, they ran over that girl's foot. All right, tweet this out. Let everybody know. That man just ran over a peaceful protester. Two of them pulled his gun out, cocked it. Let everybody know.